A few weeks ago, I posted a commentary on the student loan interest rate crisis. You'll find it at polititick.com. Look for the link to the Tuesday Tick.
July 1st, interest rates on federally subsidized Stafford student loans will double from 3.4% to 6.8%.
If you have federal program student loans and you tried to call the servicing agency for your loans this week, you may have heard something like,
"We're sorry. Due to heavy call volume, we are unable to take your call at this time. Please try your call again later."
Now, the reason that it was nearly impossible to get through to your student loan servicing agency this week is because just about everyone who has a student loan was calling. In a panic. The government basically did nothing. And July 1st came and went with no legislation passed to thwart the increase in the rates. What has really happened here is gross negligence on the part of the government and the media. Not so much that they didn't provide us with correct information, but that they didn't provide us with all the relevant information. If you haven't gotten through on the phone yet and heard the whole truth, well, allow me to quell your fears. There are a couple of important facts that the politicians and the news media have left out of the story. First of all, the changes that will go into effect on July 1st will only affect new loans. The terms for the interest rates that were taken out before July 1 were set when you were approved for the loans and will not ever be changed. The other thing that nobody is talking about is that the change in the interest rates will only affect one kind of student loan: federally subsidized Stafford loans. The subsidized Stafford loan is available for up to a maximum of $3,500 per school year, and only for those who demonstrate financial need. You can't even get these loans if you're not living in poverty. Most of the Stafford loan borrowing that students get sacked with is in unsubsidized Stafford loans, and the rate for these has been fixed at 6.8% for some time now. No changes here. I know every little bit helps, but when you consider how expensive a year in college is, $3,500 doesn't really add up to much. Many students are borrowing tens of thousands of dollars a year. $3,500? Come on. And consider this as well. Most of the students who are getting these loans that are targeted for these interest rate hikes, they won't be getting them until September. By then, don't you think it's possible that Congress will have ironed things out?
This has been a Sunfish production.